Looking to protect your Toyota Corolla seats while adding a touch of style? We've got you covered. Literally. In this video, we're counting down the best Toyota Corolla seat covers that offer comfort, durability, and a perfect fit. Stay tuned to find the ultimate upgrade for your ride. Let's dive in. Starting with number 5. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the EKR Car Seat Covers. A perfect blend of style, comfort, and durability for your Toyota Corolla. Designed to fit Corolla models from 2014 to 2025. These covers offer a snug, glove-like fit that gives your interior a premium look. And it's not just about looks. These seat covers feature 4-layer construction, making them highly durable while still being breathable and comfortable. Spills? No problem. With water resistance and easy cleaning, you won't have to stress about keeping them in top shape. They're not just seat covers, they're an upgrade. And for the price, they're definitely worth every penny. Stay tuned, because the next pick on our list might just be the perfect match for you. Coming in at number 4, we have the YOLO Universal Fit Seat Covers, a stylish and practical choice for your Toyota Corolla. These universal fit seat cushions are designed to enhance both comfort and style, and they're made from top-grade leather for a soft, luxurious feel. But don't let that softness fool you. These covers are built to last. Got kids or pets? No worries. These covers are waterproof and super easy to clean. Just grab a wet towel, and those smudges are gone in seconds. Plus, installation is a breeze. No need for professional help. You can get these seat covers on yourself in no time. With a sleek design and practical features, the YOLO seat covers definitely deserve a spot on our list. But wait till you see what's next. Taking the number 3 spot, we have the CAPITAUTO Universal Fit Seat Covers, a perfect combination of durability, comfort, and easy maintenance for your Toyota Corolla. These seat covers are designed to fit 95% of vehicles on the market, and they offer a snug, stylish fit for your Corolla. But what really makes them stand out is their 5-layer rebound composite material, which gives them a soft, premium feel while being completely scratch-resistant and wear-resistant for everyday use. Daily maintenance? Easy. These covers are waterproof, odorless, and super easy to clean. Just a quick wipe with a damp towel, and you're good to go. And the best part? No need to lift or disassemble your back seat. Installation is simple, quick, and hassle-free. They look amazing, feel incredibly comfortable, and provide lasting protection. A solid pick for any Corolla owner. At number 2, we have the LINGVIDO Universal Fit Seat Covers. A perfect blend of safety, style, and durability for your Toyota Corolla. Designed to fit sedans, SUVs, trucks, and more. These covers are made to accommodate a wide range of vehicles while maintaining a secure and stylish fit for your Corolla. Safety is a top priority. These covers are airbag compatible, meaning they won't interfere with side airbags in case of an emergency. Made from high-quality faux leather, they're soft, durable, and waterproof, making them both comfortable and easy to maintain. Plus, these seat covers have a simple yet classic design that enhances any interior. And for the price, you're getting sturdy, well-made seat covers that feel just as good as they look. And now, it's time for our number 1 pick, the best Toyota Corolla seat cover you can get. And finally, taking the top spot on our list, the Aierxuan Universal Fit Seat Covers. If you're looking for exceptional fit, premium quality, and hassle-free maintenance, this one's a clear winner. Made from high-quality faux leather, these covers are soft, durable, waterproof, and scratch-resistant, giving you long-lasting protection with a luxurious feel. Maintenance? Super easy. Just a quick wipe down with a damp towel, and your seats will look as good as new. And don't worry about safety. These covers are airbag compatible, so you get both protection and peace of mind. Plus, installation is a breeze. Even from a beginner's standpoint, you can get these on in no time without any frustration. The fit is exceptional, the quality is top-notch, and your seats get full protection, all while looking absolutely fabulous. And that wraps up our list of the best Toyota Corolla seat covers. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more auto gear recommendations. See you in the next one.